Hey good people, this is Sharp from Politics and Fashion here today with a luxury unboxing. Okay, this item has been on my wish list for probably about 2 years, y'all. Definitely before Coronita. I happen to have hopped down to Atlanta recently. If you follow me on Instagram, then you may have an idea of what it is. Okay, hopped down to Atlanta, went into Dior, and I thought that I was gonna get a necklace. Okay, I had just been craving more jewelry, specifically necklaces and bracelets. And so I had the very lovely essay, her name is Joy, hey Joy if you are watching, to put the necklace that I was interested in on hold for me. Came back, had my cousin with me, and I saw someone walking by with this item, and I said, excuse me, ma'am, can you come back with that thing? Sis came back, and my cousin was like, yeah, Shy, that's the one. He was like, put that necklace back, this is what you need to get, okay? And as we are going into fall, I think it is just the perfect piece. So, let me stop talking. Y'all are here for the unboxing. If you were new to my channel, hey girl, hey, welcome to the tribe. Please make sure you subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. I already mentioned my Instagram. So many fun and exciting things happen over there. For example, I just told a story about how I fell asleep in a movie theater and woke up screaming and embarrassed the hell out of myself. Like, you don't want to miss those kind of quality stories. So make sure you are following me over on Instagram, okay? And just stay tuned for the unboxing. Before I get started, I'm so sorry y'all, let me share with you all what I am wearing today, okay? My earrings are by a Mexican designer. I got these while I was in Tulum. I'm so sorry that I cannot link them. This tank is from Aritzia. You all know how I feel about Aritzia Basics. This is from the Babaton line. My skirt happens to also be from Aritzia. It is a high-waisted faux leather skirt. I got it in a size 6. The top is a size medium. And this is, I think, by the Wilford brand, but again, I'll make sure I link it down below. I'm wearing a little bit of a different bracelet stack today, so let me show y'all that. It is a Cartier Just Unclued there. 2 of the cuffs from Free Maiden. Y'all know I love Free Maiden, a black-owned business. And then I have this chain bracelet from Bauble Bar, and that is what I am wearing today. A great kind of pre-fall outfit because I could definitely throw hinting the piece that I have possibly on top of this, and or my leather biker that I've shown y'all on top of it, a cute little mule girl, and be out the door. But the unboxing, let's do the thing, shall we? So she's been up here for about 3 weeks, okay girls, it's been 3 weeks. Let me just smile with the thumbnail. And you know, it's just time to do this together, okay? This is my first unboxing, I think, on YouTube, girl. So hopefully I'm doing this right. Hopefully I'm doing this right. I don't know if I have the receipt, so I might be kind of skipping some unboxing rules, but we're gonna do this together. So let's bring the camera down, shall we? First of all, y'all, let's get into Dior's packaging. I am somebody that is so into packaging. So this for me is so lovely. I actually brought it all the way home on the plane in a big Dior bag because I wanted to unbox it with y'all, okay? So first we're gonna take the ribbon off. It is in the signature Dior box, of course, okay? It is wrapped in tissue. And here it is. It is the Dior wool scarf in the oblique pattern. So y'all, this is technically considered a blanket. It is a wool and angora. Let me get closer, you can see. And I just see myself wearing this on top of a camel coat and a nasty boot. Girl, putting it, actually, this is how we were playing around with it in the boutique, on top of maybe my white shirt that I just got from Mango, okay? And then belting it around the waist. It is warm as it can be because it's wool and angora. And then, because y'all know I'm petty, give me a moment, I'll be right back. Girl, who gonna check me? Is this not your rich auntie? Like arriving at your college graduation? Is that not who I am right now? Like the auntie that didn't have no kids but helped put you through college? Is this not, and I'm arriving, girl, you done graduated summa cum laude, okay, with your auntie help, and she show up at the graduation, girl, she sits in the front row. Is that not what this is giving you? This is so bad. It is so nasty. It is so rude. So as you can see, the bag and the scarf clearly are not the exact same hue as far as the oblique pattern is concerned. However, I'm wearing a Dior scarf and a Dior bag. I dare somebody to say anything to me talking about the colors don't match, because you know what that's called? That's called a hater. That is called a hater. And it's no hateration nor holleration in this dancery. I am just... So I want to tell you all why I actually got this scarf and why I'm so excited. Because I said that when I made a year in business that I was going to get myself something to celebrate that. It hasn't quite been a year, but we are going into the fourth quarter of the year. And I've done exceptionally well this year, and I thought to myself, why am I still waiting to get the piece that I know I want and that I deserve? And so that is why I got the Dior scarf. This one was $17.50. A little bit less than the one that I originally thought that I wanted. So, you know, I saved some coins. That's what I told them, right? But at the end of the day, I think that it is a signature piece that, of course, I will have forever. And because it's a blanket, it also is going to look really good thrown over the couch. Now, don't bring your kids to my house with juice boxes and snacks. You know, maybe I should put it across my chair in my office, because this will be protected. It's quite the investment, okay? But I absolutely love it, and I had to share it with you all. So that's it, y'all. That is my luxury unboxing of my Christian Dior wool and Angora scarf. I hope that you have enjoyed it. Once again, it is in the oblique pattern, and I'll make sure that I link it down below. If I can find ones that are on the secondhand market that are a bit more affordable, of course I will link those as well. Y'all already know I got you, okay? Make sure you have subscribed to my channel. You don't want to miss anything that is happening over here. Follow me over on Instagram, and I will see y'all across the internet. Peace.